We are on our way right now to go pick up our friend Jess from work. I see her! She's standing out there in the cold. We gotta hurry! Anyways, we're not gonna hurry because there's a bunch of traffic out and the roads suck, but they're getting a lot better. At least the main highway is somewhat clear.
It's wet.
It's wet. There's a bunch of slush everywhere, but the plow trucks have been very busy.
Very busy. Busy little beavers plowing away.
I turned our little snow bob into a snow bear. He's so cute. He might disappear in a couple of minutes because he's going to try to get this branch down. It's a safety hazard. We need to get it down before it falls on somebody. So this might be the last time we ever see you, Mr. Bear. You ready, Fred?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna tie a rope to it. So it'll hurt my sail. I yanked it way over here.
This is going to be so much work.
No, I'm gonna go get the chainsaw. We got a chainsaw. Don't you worry. I'm just gonna wait till the baby wakes up.
Yeah.
It's just gonna be a loud. Wow, that was a lot of our tree. We got one more big branch to get.
Where's the other branch?
Up in the top right there.
How are you going to get that?
I don't know yet. Probably gonna put a rock on the rope, throw it, put a little loop, and then swoop and pull. Do the same thing. Heck yeah.
I can't believe the snow bear survived.
I know. Yeah, well.
Except for one of his ears.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I guess like kind of like half of his body.
Well, you know.
But like a majority of it survived.
I was yanking it pretty hard, and I didn't think it was gonna let loose, so then I gave it one really good one, and then it just like shot out of there. Holy crap.
This storm caused a lot of destruction in our yard. Look, this huge branch. There's a huge branch over there. There's a huge branch right there. There's a ton of branches and snow in the backyard. Look, another big branch. This big branch.
Yeah, this is the one that hit the car.
That's the one that hit the car?
Yeah.
But the car survived because it had so much snow on it that it didn't even hurt the car. And then all of this. Yummy, baby. What you got? We finally got the Amazon package we've been waiting for. So we got some gloves. Some cute little gloves. We got 2 little pairs of gloves. We got a pink pair for my niece Paige, and we got a blue pair for Bubby. They're waterproof snow gloves. We were having a hard time finding them. All of the stores near us were sold out. So we bought these online.